Hello, my sewing bees. Today I'm excited to introduce to you the latest In the Hoop project, the Calico crossbody zipper bag. The zipper can be set from right or left-handed use. It's fully lined and, best of all, it offers a place for 6 different materials on the front. I mean, just think of the possibilities. You can create an ombre look from light to dark, pull colors from a coveted favorite piece in your collection, create a rainbow, or use up little scraps. This is designed for an embroidery machine and comes in 4 hoop sizes: 4x4, 5x7, 6x10, and 8x12, and is ready to stitch in 9 different embroidery formats. The instructions include 22 pages of step-by-step printable PDF instructions with over 60 high-resolution photos and graphics. If you're like most creative folks, you will enjoy the add-on video, which includes extra bonus tips that aren't in the printable instructions for sewing and embroidery, with section breakdowns, with nearly an hour of video instruction. So if you're ready to make yours today, head to my website where you can download the Calico crossbody zipper bag in the hoop and add-on video that will be at the Sookie Bee Sewing Academy. And until I see you next time, I hope you have a creative day. Bye-bye!